I'm Adam Handling, chef owner of the Frog Restaurant in London. So the dish I'm going to make today using Kikkoman's natural brewed soy sauce is maitake, yeast and crispy leaves. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our maitake to a pot, and I'm going to basically pot roast it, but nice and quickly. It'll only take 17 minutes. We're going to add some of the mushroom stock, which I fermented mushroom juice with 2% soy sauce. And then we're going to add some roasted yeast oil, some confit garlic, and you're going to put that in a pot. Bring it to the boil, then turn the heat down with the lid on, and you're going to steam it nice and slowly for 17 minutes. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to remove the mushroom from the pot, and you're going to just barbecue it. But you're going to be using the same mushroom liquid that you braised it in, so that you really intensify the flavour, and keep turning the mushroom. You want it smoky, but you also want the stock to be completely reduced and caramelized. You want flavour on flavour. The next thing we're going to do is I've pre-made the mushroom puree, where we take that mushroom stock and we basically boil it with agar, blend it with the yeast oil, and you're making a vegan mayonnaise. The one thing I like about using soy sauce, especially this one, is you add meat flavors to things that don't contain protein. So if you want to enhance a vegetarian dish or a vegan dish to make it taste meaty, especially with mushrooms, using soy sauce is an incredible way to do that. So when plating this dish, you're going to add a little bit of the mushroom puree on the plate. Then you're going to add 2 of the little mushrooms that have been barbecued. You're going to add more mushroom puree, and this is going to basically just hold the confit garlic that we've done. We're going to dress it in a little bit of the yeast oil as well, which has been roasted and then steamed. And then we're just going to top it nice and simple with some crispy leaves, and these can change to whatever you want. So I've used bok choy leaves that I've just deep fried, but you can use anything. I'm going to finish the dish with some mushroom powder that we've used using all the stalks and skins of the mushrooms, and some red sorrel for some acidity. And here you have maitake, yeast and crispy leaves.